In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the problems that companies face in the consumer packaged goods space, and how data analytics with Sparkflows can help. First, we will start by discussing the problem and a solution, and then we will take a look at a fully built example in Sparkflows. Looking at the CPG market as a whole, strong growth has been projected for many years to come. However, this overall growth comes with some caveats. Consumer sentiment and spending habits are changing faster than ever. Combined with the destabilized macroeconomic environment, this has led to uncertainty across the CPG space. Diving deeper into some of the specific challenges companies are facing, we can identify areas that can be improved using new data analytics solutions such as Sparkflows. Most importantly, we will be focusing on defining buyer behavior patterns, cutting the costs of putting models into production, and improving visibility into evolving demand. Now that we have identified the issues we want to solve using data analytics, we need tools and a platform to build and execute. This is where Sparkflows enters the picture. Sparkflows gives users of all capabilities, from data engineers to business users, the ability to build what they need. For this case study, we will be focusing on customer segmentation. We want to create customer segments to drive better campaigning and purchasing predictions based on our sales data, campaigns, and promotional systems. This solution can help identify the behavioral patterns of various households. The goal is to create useful customer clusters to target with different promotions and offers. To do this, we will split our work into 4 different steps. The first will be exploratory data analysis. This is where we will try to understand our data the best that we can so that we can take our understanding of the data into the next step. The next step is data preparation. This is where the data will be cleaned and where it will be joined together if there are multiple data sets. In this case, we have 5 different data sets that need to be joined together. And our exploratory data analysis work will help us determine how best to join those data sets together. Next, we will actually cluster our customers. To do this, we'll be using a k-means clustering modeling algorithm. Finally, we have reporting and analytical apps. This is a key step in improving insight into our evolving demand. We will be creating reports to tabulate all of the visualizations that we create along the way, and additionally, we will build an analytical app to help other users better access our work.